Welcome to Organized Videos, part of the Theia 3D tutorial series. In this video, we will describe how to use the Organized Videos tool to format video data, which is the first step in processing any markerless data. With Theia 3D open, select the Organized Videos tool under the Tools drop-down menu. The tool will appear as a new window, with Basic and Advanced tabs. If your video data was collected using a camera system that allows you to assign trial names such as Qualisys, Vicon, or OptiTrack camera systems, you should use the Basic tab. If your video data was collected using Sony RX02 cameras, you should use the Advanced tab. The following information pertains to the Basic tab. When collecting markerless data using a system that allows you to assign trial names, it is important to use consistent file naming patterns and delimiters. We recommend always including subject, action, and trial number information within your trial names, separated with a single, consistent delimiter. To use the Basic tab, first use the Browse button to navigate to and select the folder containing your raw video data. Once selected, Theia will load an example file name from this directory. Next, use the delimiter dropdown to select the delimiter used in your trial names to separate the important trial information. Having selected a delimiter and data directory, an example of how the video file names will be split is shown. If your file names are not split properly, try selecting a different delimiter from the drop-down menu. When the parts of your file names have been properly split, you can use the drop-down menus below each segment of the file name to create the nested folder hierarchy used to organize the data. The folder levels can include subject, action, trial, and camera ID. When you have assigned meaning to the file name segments, click Execute to organize your video data. The following information pertains to the Advanced tab, which should be used when the video data was collected using a camera system that does not allow trial names to be assigned, such as the Sony RX02 camera system. When using this camera system, we recommend formatting the memory cards of all cameras simultaneously at the start of your collection to ensure that the trial number which is automatically assigned to the video files is consistent across all cameras. The first step in organizing this video data is to use the Browse button to navigate to and select the folder containing your raw video data. A file list will appear as a table, showing the automatically assigned trial number and empty subject and action columns. The recommended way to organize videos using the Advanced tab is using the Load Subject and Action Assignments button. This button allows you to select an existing CSV file which contains the information relating the automatically assigned trial numbers to your desired subject and action labels. These files can be created during your data collection using a text editor or by saving a spreadsheet as a CSV file. This will not only help keep track of the trials you collect, but will also streamline the data organization process. After loading the Subject Action Assignment CSV file, the file table will be populated with your assigned information and you can click Execute to organize your video data. Alternatively, you can use the table to add the subject names and actions to manually fill the table with subject and action information instead of loading this information from a CSV file. To do so, open Folder with Video Data. Then double-click in each section you would like to fill in and type the subjects and actions. To save the naming of the subjects and actions, click Save Subject and Action Assignments and a CSV will be generated with the typed information. If you select a folder with raw videos that need to be formatted and there is other data already organized in the same folder, an error will appear stating, "Warning, more than one file format found." Click OK and select Top Level Only, and only the raw unorganized videos will be loaded in to organize. After using the Organized Videos tool, your video data will be organized in a nested folder structure, with the lowest level being individual videos within their own subfolders, and the second level up constituting a trial folder that contains all individual video folders for one trial. Thank you for watching this Theia 3D tutorial on the Organized Videos tool. If you have any questions that have not been answered, please feel free to reach out to support@theiamarkerless.com.